Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is RAYNNE, aka Riri. I'm a plus size model and a self-taught and freelance makeup artist here in North Carolina. And I love Chrisley Knows Best. I am all about something that's funny. I'm all about people that are just real and raw and unedited. I feel like I'm a funny bitch, so I like funny people. Yeah, I love them. Let me know if you like the Chrisleys, and yeah, I could veg watch them like all day long. Anyways, today is going to be an unboxing, of course. It is going to be the June Ipsy Glam Bag PLUS. If you're unfamiliar with this box, it is a $25 a month sub box. You get 5 full-size items in here, and you can get this in lieu of your regular Ipsy or along with your regular Ipsy. So you could pay $35 and get both of them, and I think that's a pretty amazing deal. This is my second month. And as you all know, if you've watched me previously, I try sub boxes for 3 months and then kind of give a yay or nay. Last month I was pretty blown away, so thus far it's a yay. But we will see what is in here. And then by next month I will decide, am I going to keep this? Is it really worth it or nah? I am going to point out that it looked like somebody was wiping their hands with some chocolate. So yeah, that's all over my box. Luckily, it's not inside. So, this is what it looks like. Oh, I already see. Oh, what is it? Oh, I'm excited already, y'all. So, we have a little pamphlet here, and there's a little yellow piece of foam. And it is June 2019, welcome to the block party. And then, of course, all your products are going to be on the inside of this, which we're not going to look at yet. And if you ever post, because now I have a lot of unboxing friends as well, if you ever post an unboxing and I have not commented or, I have not mentioned that I've seen it, I do not ever watch anyone else's unboxings until I've done my own. Once I film mine throughout the month, I will go back and absolutely check you guys out. I just try to be very authentic and very, very fair in my openings. So first up is a Tetris and Ipsy Block Party, I'm assuming palette, eyeshadow palette maybe? That's pretty cool packaging. Let's open her up and see. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my goodness. That's pretty neat. And, okay, definitely not my cup of tea, but she's cute. So you have pretty much a couple neutrals and then a metallic like silvery shade right here. It's almost like a silver taupe. And then a few cool tone shades here. I already have a couple cool tone palettes, and because I don't really use cool tones all that much, I'm going to pass her along. But I actually have in mind a couple of my beauties that would probably enjoy this, so it'll be a good gift for someone. But I think it's a really cool thing. I've never even heard of this, so that's pretty neat. Next up is a Pixie by Petra Lash Lift in 188, and I'm assuming just a basic mascara. Yes. It is a double brush mascara in Beyond Black, and that is what she looks like. I don't know if I'm going to hold on to this or not, only because I literally have about 8 mascaras open right now, and then 8 that I have yet to even open or test or try out. So I'm getting overrun with mascara right now, although I do love Pixie products, so we shall see. So I'm not going to open this and show the wand or anything. I don't want to get it into the air just yet. But again, really cool, and that's probably a $20 mascara. It's pretty much basically paid for the entire box. Next up is actually a brand that I've wanted to try for a very long time, and it is a Suva Beauty, just like a little liner brush. I'm trying to see the exact, it just says 620, so it's just a really fine little liner brush from Suva Beauty. I will hold on to this. I don't really do liner very often, as y'all know, but sometimes, especially during Halloween, I like to be kind of creative, and I'll do bold liners and things like that, so I will probably hold on to that. Next up is from Ciate London, another one of my favorite brands. This is a Liquid Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pinup. Cute. I love that name. That is what it looks like. And because it's a matte lippy, I will probably keep it. Oh, never mind. That's a little pink for me. These are just, it's not my color story. I really will go very, very bold. I'll do purples and blues and stuff like that. In the fall time, I like to do deep plums, almost gearing towards like black cherry and stuff like that. And then, of course, I live for a nude. I'm not really a pink person. Although the one time that I did pink, I enjoyed it, but it says it's a long-wear velvet formula, high impact color, and contains hyaluronic acid. So that would be amazing, especially if you have drier skin on your lips. I'm probably just going to pass this along, although I think it's an amazing thing to have in the box. Next up is the 111 Skin Vitamin Brightening Booster, and I'm going to assume this is a full size. 111 Skin, I have gotten a couple of their products from sub boxes before. It is a very prestigious, very expensive brand. I'm really excited to have this. Let's open her up. That is what it looks like. And it is glass, and it's very heavy. I'm not going to put any on my face. Well, we could try it. Y'all pray for me. And when I have things like this, I don't shake them, only because sometimes with skincare ingredients, they are very kind of sensitive types of ingredients. So I literally just turn it upside down and then right side back up. And first and foremost, I'm going to smell it. Again, everything's glass. Ooh! That smells amazing. Let me read this. It smells wonderful. Working to improve dull and lax skin, this highly concentrated booster targets sign of hyperpigmentation and irregular skin tone. I need this in my life, for real. Both helping to reduce and prevent discoloration. The result is brighter skin with enhanced luminosity. Shake well before use and mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer, or apply directly to your skin after cleansing. Alright, I got clean skin even though I already put moisturizer and stuff on. We're going to try her out. It smells incredible. So I'm going to put 2 little tiny drops. And again, when I do skincare like this, I put it on my fingertips and I press it into my skin. And I'm going to just kind of press it around, obviously through this area here. You guys know I have a lot of hyperpigmentation and stuff. I cannot explain how good this smells. It's almost like a sweet smell, but like a soft sweet smell. It feels really nice too. We shall see. I am going to try this out and give you guys a heads up in a few weeks and see what it's doing. I'm pretty sure this is really bomb and really expensive. And then last but not least, we got 6 things, so that's kind of cool. Oh, that makes sense. I'm an idiot. We have a Suva Beauty Hydra Liner Cake Eyeliner. And it is the shade Grease, and it is a matte formulation. So, yeah, obviously this is our liner to go with our liner brush. I knew that, y'all. So, let's take her out. I am not going to open this either, just because it's not something that I know that I'm going to use. But that is what it looks like. It's actually pretty damn heavy, too. I'm kind of impressed. So I will pass it along. Only because it's just not my cup of tea, not because I feel like it's a bad item to have in the box. So we are going to get our little pamphlet out. Let's get this out of our way. And, oh, I don't guess it says, oh yes it does, holy shit. The 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster, this shit better work, is $180, y'all. $180, you guys. That's crazy. Anyways, this lightweight concentrated formula is infused with firming red rice extract, vitamin C to help diminish dark spots and brighten your skin, and antioxidants to hydrate and help prevent future pigmentation and age spots. I actually think I'm going to use their little tip, and instead of like pushing it into the skin, I think I'm going to put it in with my moisturizer, and I think I'm going to kind of do like a check-in in about 3 weeks and just let you guys know how I feel about it. Alright. Next up was the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Grease and the 620 brush set. Together, it is a value of $26. I feel like that's super reasonable. For some reason, I thought Suva was more expensive than that. Oh well. Suva Beauty aims to create beauty products that inspire creativity, starting with this liner and brush combo. The inky, water-activated cake liner glides on with a smooth matte finish to create precise lines that will not smudge, fade, or transfer. I might actually keep it and try it. We shall see. With this ultra-fine 620 brush, application is a total cinch. Its pointed tip arms you with the precision to create any line you like, from thick to thin and everything in between. I'm actually going to keep it, I think, you guys, and try it out. Next up was the Tetris and Ipsy Block Party Eyeshadow Palette. It has a value of $24. I feel like that's fair. The pan size was nice. We have partnered with the iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. I love that. This shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented, velvety, buildable shades to create any eye look you want, from subtle to smoky to bold and beyond. I love that as well. Was that everything? No, okay. Stuff on the back. All right, the Pixie by Petra Lash Lift 188, value of $18. I feel like that's pretty fair and pretty standard. A mascara with not only one, but 2 wands. Oh! Okay, I knew that too. The large volumizing brush of the lower chamber helps to thicken and lift your lashes, while the upper one houses a finer precision tip brush that helps to lengthen and separate. And it has castor oil in it. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. I'm definitely gonna keep that because y'all know I normally use 2 to 3 mascaras. So if I can have just this one and it's cheaper than some of the other ones I buy, we might be onto something. Go ahead, Pixie. And then last was the Ciate London Liquid Velvet Moisturizing Matte Liquid Lipstick in Pinup. That's a mouthful. And the value is $19, pretty standard as well. The MO of this British beauty brand is using makeup to express your inner beauty, and we're always down for that. This creamy, non-drying matte formula moisturizes your lips with hyaluronic acid to plump and coat them in a gorgeously saturated, rich berry color. I may use a wand and like a disposable wand and check the shade out for me, but like I said, not really my color. Probably wouldn't keep it. I am very, very excited about this right here, especially having the hyperpigmentation and stuff, you guys. I'm really excited for a product like this. And hopefully I don't like it too much because I can't afford $180 if I like it. So that is it. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining me. I want to give a huge shout out to everyone for just being super supportive and kind of helping me in, you know, my YouTube journey. I cannot even express how grateful I am, you guys, and just thank you, like, honest to goodness, thank you so much. Don't forget I do have a 500 subscriber giveaway. I will try to link it. I always forget, but if you go to my videos and go to the 500 subscriber giveaway, you will see that. Shout outs, of course, everyone will be linked down below, and I want to give a huge shout out this time to Manders Beauty. She is a beauty YouTuber. She does hauls, unboxings, and things like that. She is super, super sweet, very generous in her support of others, and I just truly appreciate her very, very much. And Odette Young, she is very, very beautiful. She has the most beautiful background, like seriously, I'm jealous. But she also does a lot of beauty things, and she's super, super nice, very, again, generous in her support of others. So please check both of those beautiful, beautiful people out down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video at all, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you tap the notification bell, I'd be even more grateful and thankful. And please always remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.